Good morning, everybody. It is week, I believe, week 3 into the summer. 3.5, I guess. But anyway, I'm already a day into this week because yesterday was Memorial Day, into the work week. So I'm off to work right now, Tuesday. Should just be a normal day. Gotta slowly get back into the regular work week. We had a great weekend and a great Memorial Day, helping our uncle and our aunt move their Lego store about 25 minutes away. Filled up the U-Haul, I think 3 full times, and it felt good to get it all done. I hate that we won't be there to help set everything up, but we got everything moved. We're all pretty tired, but it was definitely worth it. So, off to work I go. Time to get this week started, and if anything else happens today, I'll let you know. You get it?
Oh, the poor guy. He must have gotten in the wall. He's stuck.
Oh, no.
He must have fallen down. Let's have him run right down.
Hey, bud. You okay? Oh, yeah, you're stuck. Oh, that's sad. We've got a stuck baby bird. Oh, I hear something else. I don't know.
We need to get a cage and figure out where to take him.
Okay. Hey, bud. We got you. We had to break the wall out, but we got him. There you go. Number 2.
I think that's it.
Is that it?
Yes. Put them close to each other.
Look good. Look good. Look good. There you go.
Just want to make sure you're okay.
Yeah, just untangle them a little.
There, now let's make a roof.
Okay. Good night.
Tell the vlog their names.
No.
Jim and Pam.
Good night, Jim and Pam.
I wish we had a couple worms.
Alright, guys. I had a big day with those little baby birds. But we've got them as safe as we can get them, and I'll check up with them tomorrow when I go into work. But anyway, the day is over. I'm very tired, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.